Why 5-minute micro-lessons beat 1-hour classes? Attention spans are shrinking, lives are busier than ever, and one thing is clear. Long lectures don't fit today's world. That's why 5-minute micro-lessons are quietly replacing traditional 1-hour classes, and they might just be the future of learning. Hour-long classes demand full focus, but let's be honest, after the first 10 minutes, most minds wander. Studies show our brains absorb more in short bursts than in long stretches of content. Micro-lessons, short, focused videos or activities are booming. Language apps like Duolingo, platforms like LinkedIn Learning, and TikTok-style explainers are teaching millions of people daily, one small step at a time. Psychologists call it spaced repetition. By breaking information into bite-sized pieces, learners retain more and apply it faster. Instead of one overwhelming download of knowledge, the brain gets small, powerful upgrades throughout the day. In a world where everyone is juggling work, school, and personal life, 5 minutes of learning can fit anywhere, on the train, during lunch, or before bed. Micro-lessons adapt to you, not the other way around. Micro-lessons keep energy high. Short bursts mean less fatigue, more focus, and more engagement. Just like short-form videos revolutionized entertainment, micro-learning is transforming education. By 2030, education won't be about sitting through long lectures. It'll be about smart, personalized micro-lessons delivered by AI, so every learner gets exactly what they need, exactly when they need it. In the end, it's not the length of the lesson that matters, but the impact. And sometimes, 5 minutes of focused learning can change more than an hour of distraction ever could.